Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a totally free lead system where you can not only generate free leads, but what you can also do is you can promote any offer on autopilot and you can earn commissions with the offer that you're promoting. So I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly how simple and easy it is to use this system. It's completely free to join. There will be a link in the description. It is 100% done for you system, so it's perfect for beginners. If you're brand new and looking to generate leads and promote an offer, because there's no autoresponder required, it's built into the system and it sends out the emails automatically for you. It will promote any offer on autopilot. I recommend a low ticket offer. And there's an option with this system to earn unlimited $6 commissions. I'm going to show you some proof of how well that converts as well. And if you need help and training and support, there's a Facebook group with 46,000 members. There'll also be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join free lead system and promote it as an affiliate. So let me show you exactly how simple this is and how it works. So the first thing you get is you get a done for you lead capture page here. So you don't have to create anything. Everything's done for you. And I'll just show you on this little drawing that I've done here how this system works. Really, really simple. So the lead capture page that I just showed you is here, done for you lead capture page. And then all you do, you've only got one thing that you need to do, just one thing. And all you've got to do is promote that lead capture page, and I use free traffic. So it's not only a free lead system, you can also use free traffic. And if you want my best free traffic sources, I'll give you those at the end of the video. And then what happens is when your prospects put their email address into here, you start to generate leads. And then this is where the magic happens with the free lead system. The autoresponder on autopilot sends out emails automatically. Now in those emails is your offer. So you can earn commissions when the system promotes your offer on autopilot. No monthly costs, all completely free. Now we recommend a lead capture page, and I'll show you where that goes shortly. And it gets even better because what happens is, because you're putting a lead capture page into the free lead system, then you are then going to build your own list over here. So they're going to opt into your lead capture page and you're going to build your own list from the free leads. And then you can promote more offers and you can earn even more commissions. So it's a very clever system. It works very, very well. Let me just show you here inside the free lead system. This one here. So you get started in 3 simple steps. When you join, you get an email so you can have a username and a login. And when you log in, all you do is you follow these 3 simple steps. You just watch the video above. It's like a welcome video. You enter your website into here and click update. So that's that website that goes in there is what you're going to promote here on autopilot. Put your website in there, very, very simple, and then let the system then work its magic. Let me get back to the right page here, this one here. Now you can change your offer at any time. You can log in, you can change your lead capture page, click update, and then you can change the offer at any time. And all you do is advertise your link. This will be you'll get your own link here, and your link is just the lead capture page. Very, very simple, very beginner friendly. A great way to generate free leads and start to earn commissions. Now let me just give you some proof of the leads and also commissions. So I've got the upgraded version. You don't need the upgraded version for this to work. But if you want to upgrade and earn even more commissions, then you can upgrade to Lead Lightning for a one-time $7. So when you upgrade, your leads go into Lead Lightning. If you don't upgrade, they'll go into your free lead system. Now you'll see here, I've generated 250 leads. So I've got 250 autoresponder messages going out every day promoting my offer and then also building my own list. And you'll see they're all current. These were here from the 1st. These leads were here from January, blurring out members' information for privacy. And you'll see all these have come in. It depends how heavily you promote, but all these have come in here. These have come in February. So they're all real people. There's no bots, there's nothing fake, no bots, no real people, real email addresses for you to be able to promote your offer to and potentially earn commissions. So let me show you proof of commissions if you want to upgrade. So Lead Lightning pays out unlimited $6 commissions, and you'll see here I've earned over $200 with this system. So these are all the commissions, the names, the emails. This is in what's called, show you here, I think it shows you here. It's called your buyers list. So if you go into account, my money, this is my buyers list. So these are the buyers that have all paid. So what this is here, this is where you can earn unlimited $6 commissions, and you pay a one-time $7. You pay a one-time $7. No monthly membership costs. So you want to get into profit, and then a great way to do so. So I'll give you my free traffic here. These are my best 5 free traffic sources that I personally use to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. I'll pin this blog post with these 5 free traffic sources to the first comment below the video you're watching now. There is some traffic training in the members area of Free Lead System if you want to use that traffic training as well. So everything you need to start generating free leads, earn commissions, and in the process, build your own list as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Free Lead System, just leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions. And if you'd like some help with your affiliate marketing, then my email address will be in the description. Just contact me direct through email. So what I recommend you do is just click the link in the description, and then get access, get your own free lead system, watch the video, have a little look around in the members area, and just see in here you've got quick start training, if you want to upgrade to Lead Lightning. So all the information's in there. Set up a free account and then just see if you feel that Free Lead System is a tool and a system that can help you build your online business faster and start to earn some commissions. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.